Bullish die cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $8.50 by 2030. Market investigators expect die could reach $3.50 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2023 is 79 cents. Die presentation. Die has entered the crypto market as a one-of-a-kind and important token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the producer convention. Assuming that you're interested about the cost of die, look no further. In this die cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you really want to be familiar with the cost of die, from the ongoing cost to most extreme value, die cost today, normal estimate cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether die is probably going to be a wise venture for what's in store. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed die cost gauge. What is die? Die is a cryptographic money resource sent off as the very first security-supported, decentralized digital currency. Die is not the same as different monetary forms in the crypto market. Not at all like resource-supported monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven. Die endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the producer convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. DAI can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation named an ETH, the local cash of Ethereum. How does DAI function? Collateralized credits are a way for a bank to utilize resources they own to get a credit. These collateralized credits have an essentially lower financing cost than conventional unstable credits, as banks can seize and sell resources on the off chance that the borrower can't reimburse their advance. Utilizing shrewd agreements running on the Ethereum blockchain, the Creator Convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thusly, used to create new DAI tokens as credits. To recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay a charge and return the DAI to the convention. This model guarantees that DAI's stock can't be adjusted by any gatherings. A proper stock is kept up with through a mind-boggling arrangement of brilliant agreements, which answer continuous market changes and the costs of concerned resources. Who made DAI? DAI was formally sent off in 2017 on the Creator Convention made by the Producer Establishment. The pioneer behind Producer Establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the task, meaning to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out credits. DAI specialized examination. Any DAI cost expectation needs to consider the extraordinary position the DAI token holds in the crypto market. Like other cryptographic forms of money, it is programmable, borderless, and simple to move. However, what separates DAI is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown distinct fascination with purchasing DAI on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and proficiency like other digital forms of money, however dodges the cost instability and intrinsic gamble factor. As a stablecoin, DAI is an important token for making a safe speculation and keeping away from high unpredictability periods that storm the open crypto market. With regards to whether or not DAI cost will go up from now on, there is nobody right response. The coin's cost can and shifts, however its main role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that in a perfect world, DAI's cost shouldn't vacillate a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of DAI with the US dollar, which makes both decay and development an ill-conceived notion for the coin. In any case, DAI's cost could in any case vary, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market feeling and do your own exploration prior to pursuing a purchasing choice. DAI current cost. DAI is right now worth 99 cents USD. DAI has moved 0.03% as of now with an exchanging volume of $162,827,625. DAI is right now positioned 15 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $5,848,202,419 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for DAI to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. DAI Value Forecast 2023. DAI, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The DAI cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.50. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the DAI's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2025. DAI value forecast 2026. In the event that DAI effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2026. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2027, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DAI has a most extreme value worth of $5.50. DAI value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. On the off chance that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $6.50. Neglecting to assemble the help DAI needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6. DAI value forecast 2029. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2029. DAI value expectation 2030. By 2030, DAI will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.50, averaging out at $8.20. DAI value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme DAI cost in 2031 is projected to be $9.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $9.40. And, by and large, obviously producer convention is upheld by an inventive group, a novel vision, and strong essentials. The framework's basic role is to present a digital currency that remains fixed to the worth of a certifiable resource and stay away from the cost unpredictability that torment the crypto market. While it is an exceptionally complicated framework, it is one worth watching out for what's in store. At present, DAI holds the possibility